Hello, I'm Jared with Solved and I specialize in Revenue Cloud and Agentforce. And today I'm going to be talking about the two together. So if you're like me, you've been seeing all that Salesforce has been releasing about Agentforce and the hype around it. And you probably have the same question as a lot of people of what additional configuration would be needed to actually start using Agentforce with Revenue Cloud. And today I'm going to be answering that question of if additional configuration is actually required to integrate Agentforce with Revenue Cloud. And the answer might not surprise you. The answer is yes and no. I'm going to first start with why additional customization is not required to integrate Agentforce with Revenue Cloud. And then I'll get into why, in reality, some additional configuration will be needed to actually start getting value. But the main reason why I will say that they don't need additional customization is because both are built on the Salesforce platform. So they're both native to Salesforce. Because of that, you don't need any special integrations. You don't need to download a managed package. If you have Revenue Cloud, all you need to do is make sure you have the appropriate licensing and then turn on Agentforce. Once you do that, then you can start getting into the additional customizations, which is why I say that there is some additional customization required. And the main reason being because at this point, there's no out-of-the-box agents from Salesforce for Revenue Cloud. Now, there has been talk that in February, there may be a new release with some Revenue Cloud specific agents, but of course we can't rely on that. But right now you can start getting value in Revenue Cloud with Agentforce by creating your own agents. So these agents can act on any flows that you have. They can act with your data. For example, they could summarize for you a quote or an opportunity, or you could set up an agent to send out quote documents to your clients. So the possibilities are endless. As Salesforce has said, if you can think it, Agentforce can do it. That is the case with Revenue Cloud. I will throw in the caveat there that Revenue Cloud kind of includes CPQ now. When I say Revenue Cloud, I'm more referring to what used to be known, at least a month or so ago, as RLM, Revenue Lifecycle Management, which is the new quoting product from Salesforce, which they've said is going to be more integrated, more usable with Agentforce than CPQ. And so that is one caveat there. If you do have CPQ and you're considering Revenue Cloud, feel free to reach out. We're always helping people with that, and we'd love to give you a free consultation there. Some preparation tips for being ready for Agentforce to get the most value from it is to make sure your data is in a great spot. So like Salesforce has said, if you've seen any of their videos, your data is one of the most important parts for how well Agentforce is going to work for you. And getting your data ready is something that is top priority at this point. The other thing is mapping out your processes. What things could be helpful for agents to take over? Where can your business value be improved? Where can you cut costs? Those are the other questions that you can answer right now and start setting up flows and processes so that when you do have Agentforce rolled out and turned on in your org, you can start building those flows and getting the most value from your agents. This is the future. Digital labor is going to save a lot of costs. It's going to help you do a lot more, be more productive, and just augment our current understanding of how well we can work. And so leveraging AI and automation is key at this point, and we're here to help at Solved. Let us know if you need any help, and we can give a free consultation, of course. And so our goal is to help you meet your business goals, leverage AI to the best that you can, and start getting the most out of Salesforce's new Agentforce. Very exciting. Thanks.